That's pretty good for bald tires.
Yeah. Gotta keep moving to the left to make it harder. Is it two-wheel drive?
Oh no!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
I don't know if I got that. Oh!
Oh my God! You want me to take you all the way or what?
I don't care. Mine? I didn't. Mine's broken.
Oh, well then, duh. We're going through there.
I know.
I'm like, wait a minute.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. Okay, I'm back on the.
Yours is broke too. That's why we're in this machine.
I know.
So good.
That's where I went and I hit that log right head on. Woo. I don't know if I could go up right there.
That's a that's a pretty steep.
My nose don't.
That's like 3 feet of vertical. Oh!
Yeah, that's a little bit much.
Jeez.
Too much. That log, I don't want to hit that. There's too much traction.
Woo.
I'm gonna have to get winched.
A little bit of a drop down there.